All right, next in the lineup is the hitch plate. So let's get the lights off and get our wiring out. All right, lights are all out of the way. Got the wiring out. I like to pull the wiring all the way out because working in that little crack when this is in is miserable. Now we're gonna clean up all the paint and powder coat. Can't stand welding anywhere near powder coat spin, but let's get it cleaned up. All right, there we go. Got her all cleaned up. Now we're gonna bolt it in place and weld it in place. Remember, a clean weld is a happy weld. Nothing better than a good spud to line your holes up, eh? All right, bolt it in place. Make sure and get her square or perpendicular to the frame. Don't use a level because of the natural rake in the vehicle. So perpendicular to the frame. Square does wonders to do that. And we're gonna go ahead and put some happy little welds. We'll put a happy weld here. We'll put a happy weld here. And maybe we'll put a happy weld over here. Here we go. All right, got all our little happy welds in place. Got it cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and scuff this up because I'm gonna paint that as well and poof some pretty stuff on it. And yeah. Here, I'll zoom in so you can judge my horrendously nasty welds right now. I'm having an off day. All right, there we go. Lights back on. All painted up pretty.